Ever wished you could paint your skies with a different brush, right from your phone? Today, we're diving into Lightroom Mobile to transform those bland skies. First, open your desired image in Lightroom Mobile. Our goal is to isolate the sky, so we'll be using selective adjustments. Tap on the masking icon, which looks like a circle with a dashed outline. This is where we tell Lightroom what part of the image we want to edit. From the masking menu, conveniently choose Select Sky. Lightroom's AI will brilliantly identify and select the sky for you. You'll see a red overlay on the sky, confirming that your mask is active. Now we can start playing with the colors. Next, navigate to the color panel, usually represented by a colorful circle. This is where the magic happens for changing our sky's hue. Drag the hue slider left or right to experiment with different sky colors, from serene blues to dramatic purples or fiery oranges. Find the tone that perfectly complements your scene. Adjust the saturation slider to make the color more vibrant or more subdued, depending on the mood you're aiming for. And finally, use the luminance slider to control the brightness of your sky. This helps integrate the new color seamlessly into the overall image. And just like that, you've transformed your sky. With these simple steps in Lightroom Mobile, you can elevate your mobile photography with impactful sky edits on the go.